Hi, I'm Nurse Huckleberry, and today we're gonna make some pumpkin gnocchis. Such a diva. This is making things surprisingly difficult. Just a little knife. Interesting. All right, I went through the whole gamut, the whole smorgasbord of Trader Joe's pumpkin spice things, and I was sorely disappointed. Not only was it not pumpkin-y, which frankly, pumpkin spice doesn't actually mean pumpkin, it just means pumpkin pie seasoning, which is cinnamon, allspice, clove, nutmeg, situation. And then outside of that, they don't really care if there's pumpkin in it, and mostly everything just tastes like cinnamon. But today, I'm gonna make kind of a more classic dish. I'm gonna do some pumpkin gnocchis with like a brown butter and sage sauce. They're gonna be delicious, and they're gonna be cute, and there's nothing you can do about it.
What happened to your finger?
I might have removed some fingernail unintentionally. It's fine, it just hurts a lot.
Where could they see you doing that?
Well, it was on the live stream. Now, I don't recommend searching to find that, but it's there. I did it live. It wasn't good. It's fine. It didn't bleed very much. Anyways, you know what, Duder? We gotta go to the store.
Come on.
Let's go. It'll be quick. I promise. We are here again for the pumpkin. The real pumpkin this time.
We're gonna eat it?
It's gonna be good. Pumpkin my way. My way.
Walking so
There's
fast.
a freaking car.
Walking so fast.
Treasure. It's value.
Can I get a snack?
Yeah, you want to pick something out of here? Is garlic Alfredo a snack?
No.
Is it a relish?
I will relish in it. Put it down. Put it down.
There's not even pumpkin in it. There's only natural flavor. Okay, so we went to the store. We got the sage for the brown butter and sage sauce, you know. Bananas.
Bert.
Bert, get out of my sage, get out. There's pumpkin, all right? Add that to the list of ingredients for today's video. And then I got microgreens. And then, you know, just nothing.
Bunch of discount liquor?
Shh. And the cheese. Okay, Bart, come on. There you go. Oh, sorry. Okay, now your shot's clear. There you go. Such a diva. Bart, you want to try this?
Where do we start?
Yeah, Bart, where do we start? With booze. Great idea, Bart.
What?
Well, we got all these things. We should try them so we can write them off. I mean, what? I mean, definitely part of the video. Hello, never had this before. Let's give it a little go. Pomegranate liqueur, made from natural pomegranate juice, premium vodka, and a touch of tequila. This was 50% off. Whopping 7 buckaroonies. I mean, it really looks like pomegranate juice. It smells like candy. That is distinctly pomegranate. It tastes like a pomegranate Tootsie Pop. That was like a memory unlocked. I haven't had a pomegranate Tootsie Pop in years. Leave a comment if you've had a pomegranate Tootsie Pop. I feel like it's a rare flavor. This is delicious. This with some soda? Yeah, I'd be down. It is only 17% alcohol, which is not bad. You try Ricard. This is gonna be licoricey. It's a pastis. Not gonna taste anything like the last one. That is good and plenty. Central.
Oh my god.
That's delicious. I love that so much.
Oh wow.
You're not as huge of a fan of pastis as I am.
Not just like that.
I miss it. I can't have licorice. Galliano?
Really?
Ugh. It's actually not as strong of a coffee flavor as I was expecting. I think it was a little more dilute. What's up, Bart? You're hungry? Time for gnocchis? All right, let's get it. Potatoes. Oh, man.
Did one go down the...
It's fine. I got it. I got it. So, there are some people who don't wash their potatoes. I know, you're wondering, who would do that? Literally everyone washes their potatoes. It seems really weird not to wash your potatoes. I think I live with the one man in America who doesn't see the point of washing potatoes.
I washed the potatoes earlier.
Yeah, because I've yelled at you to wash them. Well, no, not today, other days. Well, I wasn't yelling, it was strongly saying, why does this taste like dirt? And then asking if you wash the potatoes after you prepare food. And then you don't understand how I can taste the dirt in it.
Feeling very called out right now.
Okay, and we chop. I gotta say, the hurt finger, not helping. This is making things surprisingly difficult because it hurts a lot.
You gonna be okay?
I'll be fine. I could have taken the week off, but I'm powering through. All right?
The things you do.
Yeah, YouTube. You don't appreciate this.
Maybe they do.
Do you?
I do.
Okay.
When's the water gonna boil?
Well, we can't just sit here and watch it. It's never gonna go. He's a little self-conscious. It's a shy peer, okay?
Where should I look?
Let's just look over here. Let's just look at skeleton, you know? Wow. 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 You know how I died? Waiting for the water to boil. Yeah, I kept watching it. That's close enough.
Okay. You've done this before, right?
Yeah. Okay, now we wait for them to boil. I've been waiting a long time. Okay, potatoes are ready. Ready spaghetti. Because the knife sticks in them real easy. Just the little knife. Easy peasy. Hot, 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 hot. Okay, this is more than I need for tonight, so I'll do that much. We'll just eat the rest of those potatoes. All right, get your pumpkin. We're just gonna, like that much. Maybe a little more, like that much. You know what, Bert likes pumpkin. Bert, Bert, come here. Oh, Bert, you wanna try some pumpkin? Bert, you like pumpkin? Kiki, Kiki, you want to try some pumpkin? Pumpkin delivery, Kiki. No? Shut up, Bert. You don't even like pumpkin anymore.
I'll eat it.
Watch out, Bert. Go, man. You want a little pumpkin snack? Pumpkin. You don't even like pumpkin.
It's good.
That's not what your face said. Your face did not say it was good. All right, I get it. I get it. Okay, it's not very good. Why is it so? Wait.
Why are you putting more?
Little butter. And now we mash. So once your pumpkin and potatoes are nice and smooth, you can start adding in the flour to make the gnocchi. I'm just gonna use gluten-free all-purpose flour for this.
We're making gluten-free gnocchi.
Yeah. I'm not putting in a specific amount, just until it forms a dough. Also, it's still pretty hot. You wanna make sure it's not too hot, and then add an egg.
Why was that egg just free in the fridge?
There was one left in the carton. I'm not gonna put a whole carton back with one egg in it. There's one egg. Who does that? Little salt, little pepper, little mixy. He's fine. Chickens eat eggs.
What?
They totally do. It's a problem. If you have chickens, if one of them figures out that they can eat the eggs, then they'll just start eating their eggs. It's bad. Bad chickens. You know, sometimes it just takes a lot of flour.
You need some help?
No. No.
Wow.
I use my tools.
You never use me.
That's not true. I give you stuff to open all the time. All right, well, this is pretty close, but I'm gonna need some for flouring my board. Now, normally with gnocchi, you might want to, or just pasta dough in general, you might want to let it rest to let the gluten develop. But there's no gluten happening here. So we don't need that to hydrate or anything. Okay, now you let it rest because it's a sleepy baby. Okay. So now that we let our little dough baby rest, because he's so sleepy, I'm going to start shaping it. Ideally, it should be not super taggy, but you know, a little gaudy maybe. Use a decent amount of flour on your board and kind of make a snake. And then from your snake, you need to figure out what part is pumpkin and what part's snake. You know, like this. This is snake. That's not a pumpkin. That's snake. Don't need that. This though, pumpkin. Pumpkin. All right? They're gonna take shape before your eyes. You know, this though, that's snake. Nope, not pumpkin. That's pumpkin.
What are you talking about?
What? We're making pumpkins. Pumpkin gnocchi.
Wait, you making shape of pumpkins?
Oh, so I was making pumpkin gnocchis.
Well, I thought it was just made out of pumpkin. When were you gonna tell me?
Where's the fun in that? Look at this. Look, perfect little pumpkin right there. That's nice. Okay, they're gonna get more pumpkin-y, all right? So then, fork. You just press it in like that. Look at this. You'd buy that pumpkin, all right?
So, pumpkin.
Look, they're practically twins. You can't tell them apart. Which one's the real pumpkin, huh? Which one's the real pumpkin? So you could do them like this, or you could also just do like that. Like that. That also works. But this is more like a pumpkin viewed from the side. You know, this is more of like a 3D rendition.
One's gonna cook better.
The flat one, for sure. For sure, the flatter one. So I'm just actually gonna make some circles and then squish them. So once you have 25, or however many you feel like making, I made 25, you can boil them.
Is the water ready?
Water's ready. All right, you approach the water with a firm yet gentle hand and a slotted spoon. Gnocchis go in gently so as not to disturb their form. And then once they float, they're done. That's it. Pretty simple.
Why do they float?
I don't know, but you don't want to put too many because you don't want them too crowded.
Or else they stick together?
Yeah, that too. Also, it reduces the water temperature. Put a whole bunch of them in. Okay, we got some floaters. They're almost floating. You ready? Ow.
Bowl's gonna fall off the stove.
No, it's not. This one's ready. More. How does he expect the gnocchis to cook when he's watching them? They are shy.
Don't look at me.
Okay, our gnocchis are boiled. They're sitting there. They're waiting. They're being very good. They're being very patient. I'm just gonna quickly prep the sauce. Technically, you could do this while the gnocchis are boiling, but they go really quick.
You say quack?
No. They go really quick. I like to keep an eye on them because a soggy gnocchi's a sorry gnocchi. Little PSA, don't hurt your finger. It's not very fun. I'm having a bad time. No. Other PSA, open your mandolin. All right, I just wanted some nice fine onions. Great.
No, those are mandolins.
Couple chops. Okay, as we all know, the right front burner is the best one. Duh. Now, if you don't have homemade butter like I do, you can use that sad store-bought butter. But I'm gonna use this delectable homemade stuff that I made yesterday. Look at that. That looks like butter. Yeah, there was definitely still moisture in this. I didn't do the best job of making that butter. I did a job. You can't blame me for that.
So what's your inspiration on the sauce?
A restaurant I used to work at. I don't know. It's just a brown butter sauce. Just sweating the onions a little bit, making them think about what they did. Mostly, I just wanted a tasty dinner tonight, so decided to choose something like semi-elaborate for the video. Fancier than I would normally opt for, but gonna be very delicious. So, you know, here we are.
Here we are.
onto the sage. I have the sage and brown butter. Now, I actually don't really like sage that much, so I like to leave it pretty big so I can pick around it, because getting a bite full of sage, not my jam, you know? Like some people might be into it. I like the flavor of sage, but I don't want the whole sage leaf up in my business. So, that's what happens. I didn't have to sneeze until I was moving this around. Am I allergic to sage? Interesting. Yep, that's really hot. Okay. Make a little bouillon, a little stock. See, here, you wanna be strong? You wanna open that?
Is it open?
I think it's open. Oh, you got it?
Yes.
Thanks. Okay, I gotta work quick. If you want to make this fully vegetarian, you can just use vegetable base instead of chicken stock, and it's fine. Okay. Some of that. And now we get the spices. A little garlic. I'm not gonna do the whole pumpkin spice, but I will do some fresh nutmeg. Great. More butter. The sauce is mostly butter, by the way.
You say that like it's a bad thing.
Never a bad thing. Okay, so I seasoned with salt and pepper and let this cook down a little bit. Threw in a little bit more butter. I've got a little extra broth if I need it. And I'm gonna add in my gnocchis, and they should hopefully help us thicken up. Get out of there, come on, it's not your home. All right, I'm gonna let that simmer for just a minute or two. And meanwhile, my cheese. I'm gonna do big cheese flakes. What are you doing? And then, okay, this looks pretty damn good, and it smells good.
It does smell good.
And it's got lots of good stuff in here. Little microgreens on top, little Parmesan, little gnocchi babies.
No sage.
I'm gonna go with the cheese. Look how thick that sauce got. Oh, that's really good. Now I'm just hungry. Oh man, I'm gonna eat all of this. Thank you so much for watching today. We're gonna just trying whatever we feel, what we have fun with right now. So if you guys want more practical recipes like this for an actual meal, put it down in the comments. Say, hey, I really like your gluten-free gnocchi and it seems really easy and fun to make. I wanna do it too. Could you do more recipes like that? Or if you're like, no, screw this, I want the fun stuff. Then
Monster punch, monster
yeah,
punch.
Yeah, exactly. But thanks everybody so much for joining us today. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far in the video, you're the best. That's just how it is. If you like what you saw, we post video every Monday, and you should definitely subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and leave a comment, because that helps us out a lot. And then if you want to catch us live, you can see us over at twitch.tv/nursehuckleberry, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday nights at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I thank you so much. Okay, bye.
Bye.